Okay, so in this video, we will discuss about how to convert the means image data into the Excel sheet. Okay, so that part we will try to do. So suppose if I go here, this is the some data is available on some website. So first I will save this particular data with the help of the snipping tool. Okay, so now save as a, and you can save this particular image any location, and I just give the demo.png. This is the file. Okay, so now I want to convert this particular file. This is the image file. Okay, and there some data is available and that I want to convert into the Excel sheet. How you can do this particular part? So that is very easy. In data you can take the data from picture also. That feature is also available inside the Excel. So if I take the data picture from file, okay, and that is available inside the download, this demo picture just I saved. So insert. Okay, now you can see it will take some time and convert that entire picture data into the Excel sheet. Now you can see. So there is the means this particular picture means sometime you have very good quality picture, then it will give all the data in appropriate way. But sometimes there may be the issue. So you need to review first, like what is the this. Okay, so this is the February data. So just accept and pass. What is this? So May. Okay, and accept. So like that, and now you can insert the data. Okay, so insert the data. So sometimes some error will be there. So you can now all your data which is available, what you can say, which is available in the form of the image. Now you have the same data available in the Excel sheet. Now you can do the analysis. You can even plot some graph. Okay, so that all the thing is possible. Okay, so like that. Now you can plot the graph between the cost and sales. So this all the thing you can do. So the point is how to convert the image data into the Excel. There is a very simple thing is available. Picture means picture file you can upload and you can get your data into the Excel file. So this is the one thing is available that is very interesting inside the Excel. Thank you.